Hi everyone. In this video I want to explain how interest, price gain and total profit work over less than 1 year. To do that we return to our Google spreadsheet online in Gilt TN24. In our previous video, to explain these numbers over 1 year, we assumed Gilt TN24 would redeem 1 year from the 30th of November 2023. However, we know it redeems on the 31st of January 2024, which we now show in section 3 that also shows we actually only have 2 months until redemption. Now, for ease of comparison, interest rates and yields are always quoted in terms of what we will earn over 1 year. These are so-called annualized numbers. So we typically need to do a little work to calculate the relevant numbers over our investment period. So how do we do that? Well, it's actually quite straightforward. 2 months is 1/6 of 1 year. So most of the numbers we saw in section 2 will simply be divided by 6. So for the same redemption payment of £1,000, we see reduced interest of 21 pence over 2 months, a smaller price gain of £8.33, and reduced total profit of £8.54. The total profit is 0.9% of our original investment, where our original investment is just the price we paid, which I selected to be £991.67. Note that this is the only number that has gone up. So why is that? Well, the price gain is the difference between the redemption payment we will receive and the price we paid. So a smaller price gain means the price must be closer to £1,000. It might also be helpful to know that the price will in general keep getting closer to £1,000 as we approach the redemption date. This makes intuitive sense, as the less time we are invested, the less profit we expect to make. Finally, I have selected the prices in sections 2 and 3 for demonstration purposes only. In practice, we have to look up the prices that are available to us at any particular time, much as we have to look up the interest rates on savings accounts for banks as they change over time. We'll start to look at live gilt prices in our next few videos. So to summarise, interest rates and yields are always quoted on an annualised basis, so we typically need to do some calculations to understand our interest, price gain and total profit over our actual investment period. This can be easily done using a proportion of the annualised numbers and live gilt prices, which we will see in our next few videos. Thanks for watching.